Common washing machine problems and solutions. Ensure that the door or lid is securely closed, as many washing machines have safety mechanisms that prevent operation if not closed. Make sure the drain hose is properly installed and not submerged too far into the drain pipe. Verify that all transit bolts or packaging materials have been removed if the washing machine is new. Examine the motor coupler or drive motor for faults. A worn out or broken motor coupler may require replacement. Ensure that the detergent dispenser drawer is not clogged or overflowing during the wash cycle. Check the door seal or gasket for signs of wear or damage. Replace if necessary. Keep the washing machine door or lid open between cycles to allow air circulation and prevent mold and mildew growth. Check the connections between the control panel and the control board. Ensure they are secure and free from corrosion. Check if the load is balanced inside the drum. Rearrange the clothes to distribute them evenly. Check if the circuit breaker or fuse controlling the washing machine's power supply has tripped or blown.